Hi, I welcome you all for the session on CATIA Sketcher Part 6. In this video, we will learn about mirror, symmetry, scale, offset and rotate. This comes under Operation Toolbar. Corner chamfer relimitations we finished in our last class. Today we'll finish about what is the transformation features about. Mirror, scale, symmetry, this and all comes under modification process, which is also called as transformation. It is nothing but converting the existing created part into useful features. The transformation features we have mirror, symmetry, translate, rotate, scale and offset. These are the commands that are present in transformation features. First we have mirror. For that I will create one profile. I will create one rectangle or parallelogram, any geometry that I want to mirror. For mirroring I can use that vertical axis, or else we can create one more central line. I will create one axis line for that, so that we can mirror about that particular center line. First initially select the part and let us select the central line while using mirror command. This is what the mirror command is. Initially you will select this particular drawing what you want to mirror, and you should select the mirror plane. For symmetry you should create the same thing, and it will create a symmetrical part of that. In the mirror the initial created will also be visible, but in symmetry it is not. Next we will go for translate. In translate we want to see what we can create, but we can see this symmetry once again for this complex geometry, not only for rectangle. You cannot feel the difference. So I am showing this one more example for symmetry. Next we will go for translate. I will create one rectangle for that. Now I should translate this. I want the total number of instances to be 5, and the value duplicate mode is on and off, because if you don't want the duplicate mode, that you do want only one instance to move that what the original one, then you should off that, or else you can give for duplicate. This is too small, 20 mm, so I should measure it and I should give greater than that. I will give this as I will give this one as 100 or something, 50. Okay, 50 is fine. Then you can give this angle of orientation, or whatever you want you can give. This is what you can create, translate or linear pattern in CATIA Sketcher. Later it will be converted as single unit. You can modify or alter any instance that you want. Next we have rotate, symmetry, rotate. Okay, I want to rotate this. Select the duplicate mode is same in this also. It will create a number of instances with the copy of original. I give it as 3 instance. I want that angle variation for each angle between each instance is 45 degree, so that I can get 3 instances. If I off the duplicate mode, I will get the part rotated by 45 degree. This is how the rotation works. If I select this center point and I will off the duplicate mode, and if I give it as 45, I will get only the one instance. The original instance will move for this if we off this duplicate mode. Next we will go for scale. In the scale also we have duplicate mode option, so that the original will retain if the duplicate mode is on. You should give the center point, the base point and the scale factor for this. If I give the scale factor as 2, duplicate mode was on, So it was retrieved. Now I will off this duplicate mode. I will select the base point, and if I give the value as 2, the original will be converted to scaled one. Original will not be present. This is about the scale. Next we have offset for offset command. What do you mean by offset? Moving a particular object or converting one more entities with a certain distance of the same constraints, along with the constraints. For example, if I want to scale this similar to the scale for the closed profile, for open profile it is moving a line or creating one more line parallel to the particular line with a certain distance. That is about the offset distance, total distance, but what amount of offset do we require. Similar to like this, you can create the parallel lines, how much number of lines you want, how much ever you want you can create the distance between each lines. Not only 2 lines, but you can create n number of lines using this offset command. This is modification and transformation features in CATIA Sketcher. If you like this video, like and share. For subscribe for further videos. I am Vijay R.